Today I'm going to show you how to enable holiday mode on the new Rollixo control panel. First, I'm going to show you how to disable the buttons on the front cover. Press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. The light will flash twice. This has disabled the front cover. Alternatively, you can use holiday mode to disable all remote controls. To do this, press the set button in the parameter menu, then press set to work your way down to P5. P5 will be on flashing number 2. Use the plus or minus to change this to flashing 3. Then press and hold set for 2 seconds to exit the parameter menu. You now need to activate holiday mode. As before, you do this by pressing and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. The light will flash twice to confirm this. Now, all remote controls will be unable to operate together.